Hi, I'm Ken Shirilla, and I'm here in the kitchen with Mary Rogaliki, and she is going to show us how to make
Rogaliki.
Rogaliki. So, Mary, do you want to do a shot of vodka before we get started?
Absolutely.
I think every Polish baker should do that.
Here we go. This is Chopin. This is the vodka of my choice in my freezer. Na zdrowie.
Na zdrowie.
Okay, now we're ready to bake.
Yay. And by the way, Mary is a two-time champion baker of the Simply Slavic baking contest.
Okay, this recipe actually is really easy. Once you do it, you'll keep going back to it. It makes a great cookie for a wedding tray, or basically this is a cookie for Christmas. What you're going to need are 2 cups of flour. 2 cups of flour. There we go. You're going to need 1 cup of butter. Always use butter, ladies. Don't try to cheap it out, just use butter. You're going to use 3/4 of a cup of sour cream and 1 egg yolk. If you're fortunate like me, my neighbors have chickens here and I always get fresh eggs. So I'm going to get this really yellow egg yolk in there. Drop it in there. And give it a quick mix with the whisk. And you'll see how easy this is. There's no salt because there's enough salt in the butter. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take this flour and butter and we're gonna go ahead and put it in the mixer and make it till a crumb. Oops. We're gonna make it till the crumb forms. Kind of like you're doing a pie crust. It only takes about 25 to 30 seconds with your good old KitchenAid. We'll just pop this all back in there.
Can you make these without a mixer if you don't have a mixer?
Yes, you can use a pastry knife or you could use 2 knives together.
Mm-hmm.
So as long as you get that crumb and then you
That texture. Oh.
So then you go ahead and put your sour cream mixture in. Okay, we're going to get it all in there. All right, so we're going to put this back in there. And we are going to mix this up until it's nice and smooth. So, we're gonna get all this back in there. Then we're gonna take this, squish it down. We'll get some press and seal, best thing they ever invented. So I'm going to take my press and seal and put my old blob of dough on here. Scrape it all out of here, plop it on the press and seal. You can stick it in a bowl. A little bit of flour could help, but it's not necessary. So there you go. So now we have the dough. So you're going to want to squish this around a little bit, make it into a ball, and this goes in the refrigerator overnight.